guys, Sony has officially entered the blockchain game. They are launched their own L2 on the Ethereum chain, Ethereum Layer 2 to go mainstream. So they have their vision and what are the tasks that you can do in order to qualify for this airdrop. So yeah, if you know how crypto works, if you are a part of the testnet campaign, obviously there's a chance that you get rewarded for supporting the community or whatever it is. So as you can see, they have their partners, Chainlink, Optimism, and a lot of big names over here, Circle, Graph, and all these stuff. And if you want, you can go ahead and check on their website. So Soneium.org, go through it, have a look. And they also have mentioned about this on their own official website, Sony.com, where you can see Sonieum is aiming for the world where Web3 use cases are part of daily life. I believe they could be targeting for the PS6. That could be the next thing. Maybe they want to include Web3 into their ecosystem for obviously for the gaming reasons, and Sony is a big name when it comes to gaming. So let's get back on what we have to do in order to qualify and be a part of a testnet campaign, right? It's fairly simple. You can do this on your computer as well. I'm just doing it on the phone because it's much more convenient for me to record while I'm going through and talking about these things. MetaMask usually doesn't take this long, but yeah. Come on now, let's get going. Whew. It's not opening. Yeah, okay, so yeah, I had a bunch of tabs open because yeah, obviously I need certain things to do that. I don't have Ethereum Faucet, testnet Faucet, so I'm just mining it on the Sefolia faucet.pk910.de. You can obviously go ahead and mine the faucet, whatever you want to do. If you already have it, not a big deal. I'll stop the mining now. Okay, 0.05. okay, I think that's gonna take some time, but yeah, anyways, let's go and do what we have to do here. First, go to the app.layer3.xyz. make sure you go to this website, as you know, the layer 3 website, and go ahead and search for Sonieum. Okay, I'll just put Sony, or I might have to. Okay, so as you can see, there are like 2 tasks that you have to complete. The first one is pretty basic. They tell about their project and what's going on. They have 2 quests about what is Sonieum. Basically, this is the first one. You just have to go through it, next, and you're done with this task. You get this cube to mint. And this one is for the testnet Minato. So yeah, let me go ahead and show what you have to do for that. I have already completed this, but yeah, let me connect my wallet. So I have already completed this, but it's fairly simple. You just have to go through their website, bridge to the Soneium testnet, join their Discord, that's optional again, and then claim the rewards. I recommend you to claim this rewards because it's an NFT again, and it will help you qualify in terms of qualifying for the testnet incentive. Okay, so this is the first thing you got to do, and obviously it will take you for this website called bridge.soneium. So if you have some Sefolia, just put on that number, whatever you want to bridge. So let me go ahead and do that. 0.01, which is around $24 worth Ethereum. So the wait time is almost 3 minutes. You'll get it on the Minato network. Initiate deposit, and right now, as you can see, the gas fee is around 8.9, and just click on confirm. And make sure you do this at least once in a day so that you have the transaction numbers going up for you guys, and it will help you qualify for the airdrop, right? So that's one thing. That's the first thing you got to do. And the second thing you got to do is do the vice versa thing. Send from Minato to Sefolia. Okay, you don't have to send much. Even if you can send just $1 worth tokens, it should be fine. Right now the transaction is going through. Maybe that's the reason it's not allowing me to do the Minato to Sefolia. But yeah, let's give it a minute. All right, now I'm switching it from Minato to Sefolia. So just click on switch, and yeah, it will automatically give you a pop-up to add the network if you haven't added. It's fairly simple. You just go ahead and add the network to it, and as you can see, I have a balance of 0.01 ETH. Let's go ahead and put that, not this one, 0.001. It's around $2 worth ETH, and it would take around 90 minutes for the withdrawal to go through. But initiate the transfer, it's all right. All they need is transactions that's happening to and from the network. So as of now, this is the only task that you have to do when it comes to the Soneium network. But there might be new task that's coming up, which I will link it with the video, and hopefully it helps you in qualifying for the airdrops. And that's it. And there are more projects that's coming up. I should make some videos. I'm a little behind schedule, and that's the reason I didn't want to delay it. I recorded this on the phone. As you can see, you can do it on your phone and you can do it on your computer too. It's fairly simple, and it's the same process on your computer too. You'll already get an automatic notification to add the network. So as you can see, the wait time is 60, and probably it would take another 30 minutes for confirmation. So yeah, you have to do this at least once a day. Make sure you do this at least once a day, so it will help you qualify for the airdrop. Okay, hope you guys have a good day today. Have fun. Bye.